Are you ready to stay updated on the latest trends within your Twitter network? Let's walk through the steps to enable notifications for new trends on your PC. To begin, open your Twitter account. X. Locate your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Once in the Settings section, navigate to the left-hand column and find the Web Notifications option. Click on this to access your notification preferences. Within the Notification Types menu, you'll find various options to customize your notifications. Make sure to check the box next to Something is Trending in My Network to receive alerts about trending topics within your Twitter community. To save your changes and activate the new trend notification setting, simply click on the Save Changes button. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your Twitter experience by staying informed about the latest trends circulating within your network. Engage with trending topics, join conversations, and be part of the dynamic Twitter community. Take control of your Twitter notifications and never miss out on what's trending in your network. Stay connected, stay informed, and make the most of your Twitter experience by enabling notifications for new trends on your PC.